Hello everyone, my name is Ajibola Akamo. I'm an investment analyst for Nairametrics, and this is Crypto on the Go, where I give you a breakdown of what has happened in the world of crypto for the week. First thing we need to talk about is Bitcoin rallying to an all-time high. So during the week, the Labor Department of the United States released the CPI data. CPI stands for Consumer Price Index, and it rallied to 6.2% from 5.4% in the preceding month. What does that mean? It means that there are inflationary concerns in the U.S. Economy, and that pushed Bitcoin's price into a new all-time high of 68,789, to be specific. And the CPI data revealed that was the largest increase in over 31 years. That's right. The last time the U.S. had an 0.9% increase in CPI data was in the year 1990. So another thing that happened during the week was DFG. DFG pledged 500,000 DOT tokens, and at the time it was around $26 million to a project called Acala, who is going to be, or a project bidding, Acala, who is bidding on the parachain slot options. So now, parachain slot options are for individuals who are trying to build on the Polkadot ecosystem. I know you guys have wondered why I've always recommended Polkadot, so I've always mentioned everything Polkadot, and also in my buy recommendation today, I would also be recommending Polkadot, but we'll leave that one later. The reason why this is so important is DFG is basically a digital asset management firm, and they've pledged 500,000 DOT tokens that will be locked away for 2 years to support Acala's project. But in turn, DFG is going to be getting Acala tokens where it's going to be tradable for them. But then their DOT tokens are going to be locked away for 2 years. And the first parachain slot option started yesterday, the 11th of November. And we're just waiting on seeing the results of that transaction and hoping that Acala actually comes out on top. Another thing we'll be looking at is Tim Cook. Tim Cook is the CEO of Apple, and in an interview, he admitted that he owned cryptocurrencies. He stated that, according to him, he stated that he invested in cryptocurrency in order for him to have a more diversified portfolio. So right now, I know a lot of people are so skeptical about cryptocurrency, what they are, if they are legit, if it's a scam and all that. But we've had the likes of Elon Musk, Michael Saylor, Jack Dorsey, and now Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, claiming or stating that he has invested in cryptocurrencies. So I need to ask you guys, why haven't you invested in cryptocurrencies? Yeah, the next thing that happened is Twitter. Twitter has unveiled or has gone on its social media platform to reveal that it is launching a dedicated cryptocurrency team. And the platform appointed Tess Rierson to lead that team. So everybody knows Jack Dorsey has always been an avid believer for Bitcoin, especially, and cryptocurrencies in general. So now the Twitter platform is now having a dedicated cryptocurrency team in which, like I said, Tess Rierson is going to be leading the team, and they'll be bringing all sorts of exciting cryptocurrency focused products. For instance, Twitter already launched tipping services in cryptocurrency using the Lightning Network with their partnership with Strike. So what do I mean by this? It's more or less for mass adoption and people using the Twitter platform. Next we have is Elon Musk. I saved this for last because this is a very, very controversial topic. So over the weekend, Elon Musk did a Twitter poll which was asking if he could sell about 10% of his Tesla holdings, which is valued at around $20 billion. And the Twitter poll ended up with people voting yes. And during the week, so far, we've seen Elon Musk sell about $5 billion worth of his stock on the market. Now, so a lot of people have been, talking, saying different things, and also data revealed from the SEC filing shows that he has actually applied for about 1.1 billion stock sale as early as September. So the remaining ones that have been sold in the market looks to be a reaction or as a result of the Twitter poll in which he said that he was going to follow if whatever decision or whatever way people voted for. And as we can see, he's already started selling, but then he has only sold 5 billion worth of shares. And that means that we're expecting another approximately 15 billion to be sold in order for him to fulfill that promise, going by what the Twitter poll ended up saying or what people voted for on the Twitter poll. So those are the major news, and I'll go into my recommendations. So now, because of the flash crash that happened on Bitcoin as soon as it hit its all-time high, I have a few recommendations because now coins are cheap. You shouldn't, one thing in the cryptocurrency world is you get greedy when others are fearful. And, when there are flash crashes in the market like this, everybody's always scared, everybody's always worried, everybody's always skeptical, and everybody, likes to sell off their tokens. But in fact, this is the time for you to buy. And what I'll be recommending for you to buy is Polkadot's DOT token and Chainlink's Link token. What I'm advising you to sell as usual will be your meme coins, your Dogecoin, your Shiba Inus, your Floki Inus, every single thing that has the concept or has been derived by the concept of a meme. I am advising you to sell it because they do not hold real life utility. They do not have value, or they are not producing anything, or they do not have good fundamentals. What I will say you guys should hold on to for now is your VET tokens, that's your VeChain's VET, and your Cardano's ADAs. I will recommend that you guys hold on to those tokens as they still have good potentials. So with that, I end the show and thank you so much for listening. Also, let me know what you are buying, what you are selling, what you are holding during this period of market turbulence or during this period of market downturn so that we can, interact and have a view of what that is. Thank you so much. My name is Ajibola Akamo again, and have a lovely day.